We are here at Oral Dynamics. I've been joined by Dr. Michael Rowland. And first of all, thank you for taking time to be with us. Let's talk about your profession, because first of all, what you do is help people to improve their smile, but you do a lot more than that. It's dentistry. So let's first of all start out, where exactly are you located?
We're located in Allentown on Fairmont Street, near 17th, and just right off of Route 22.
Pretty easy to get to.
Very convenient, yeah.
Now, I know you specialize in what we call smile design, or what you call smile design, but in dentistry today, what types of people do you generally work with or work on? People that have all kinds of situations?
I'm a general dentist. We do all phases of dentistry. We concentrate on procedures that are aesthetic in nature, and all of the procedures we do, we look at them from the aesthetic standpoint as well as the functional standpoint. So what we put in looks good as well as works well.
Now, the office itself looks very up to date, very modern, very, I don't know if you call it high tech, but it's exactly what it needs to be. Is there anything we need to mention about how it's laid out?
The office, we try to keep abreast of all the latest, and we have a lot of computer technology in here, and the latest in clinical materials. One of the things that we are very high on is that our main working areas have exposures to windows that allows natural light in, so that when we are working with colors, we're working with daylight and the light that patients are normally seen in, so it gives them natural appearance to whatever work we do.
Now, one of the things when people decide to go to a dentist, some people are regular and they take care of things. Some people let it go. You have ways of relaxing people and taking the pain out, so to speak.
Well, we try to be friendly and be comfortable with the patients and make them comfortable with us. We don't scold the patients. We try to work with them and help them better their habits so that they don't have problems in the future.
Now, I know let's go back to the smile design. What's involved in that? I mean, you do teeth whitening here, you do porcelain veneers, you do different things. Somebody comes in, there are people who have been hiding their smile for a long time. Sure. It affects their life, their self-image, it affects everything, and then they come and meet you, and how do you approach that? How do you help them?
Well, besides just doing the mechanical work, we see a tremendous increase in their self-confidence, and we have smiles that are very narrow, and all of a sudden they become very big and wide. It really helps a person be confident in themselves, and in the workplace or out socially, it adds tremendous to their confidence and self-esteem.
Right. What are we leaving out when we talk about dentistry and the practice here, other than if someone's watching this, they shouldn't be apprehensive. They should come in. It's a very friendly office. You have a nice sitting room here. The staff is very friendly. What should we have them thinking about when they're thinking about Dr. Rowland here and Oral Dynamics right here in Allentown?
Well, what they should be thinking of is that we're here to help them, and it doesn't matter whether it's just a single tooth that needs to be taken care of or the entire smile. We can handle it all. And we're just as happy doing a single tooth as we are doing 8, 9, 10 teeth.
And you've been doing this for a lot of years, right?
I've been doing this for a long time. I got into dentistry just at the time when the whole era of cosmetic dentistry was just starting to take off, and so I've been with it through all the developmental processes.
So people can feel relaxed about that. They come in here, you've been through it, you know what you're talking about. In a final word, doctor, let's just invite them in. Whether it's been a year since they saw a dentist or 15, they need to just make the phone call or get in here.
We have a very friendly staff, and they're willing to work with them, make the appointment as easy on them as possible. We have hours that are convenient, and as I say, we want to help the patients. We want to work with them.
I've been traveling from dentist to dentist for a long time, cosmetically looking for what I was tuned fit for me. I wanted to look in the mirror and say, my smile's been absent for many years. And it from different things, from personality to just having gaps in my teeth, or your teeth just starting to turn colors from bumps and bruises, whether it be basketball, fights, sports, whatever. I definitely smile more. I mean, someone's teeth, you do pay attention to. When somebody opens their mouth to speak, you tend to look at their teeth. And I have no problem opening my teeth and speaking. Just like to thank Dr. Rowland again for the wonderful smile I have. And my family thanks you, and friends, everybody likes it.
Well, I have to admit, it was probably about 10 years since I saw a dentist before I came here. And one of the things I used to hear from people a lot was, why don't you smile more? And I thought to myself, I am smiling. But I guess without realizing it, I didn't show my teeth. I was never very confident. I work in a restaurant, I'm a server and I'm a manager, and I definitely get a warmer response from people, just the way they look at me, because I just didn't realize how I did not smile. It's affordable to anybody. It's worth it, well worth it. It's an investment for your life.
Confidence and beauty with the